This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by connecting the screens and confirming hardware. Plug the displays into available HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C ports, then power them on. Once done, make sure each monitor reports an active input in its on-screen menu. This prevents detection delays. If two ports are identical, note which is GPU versus motherboard. Reboot if needed so Windows initializes the displays. Now open Settings to continue. The system should already list any detected monitors for configuration. You'll arrange how the screens behave. In Settings System Display, identify monitors and drag the tiles to mirror your desk layout so cursor movement feels natural. Select a display and set it as primary to control taskbar and start menu placement. Also adjust scale and resolution individually for readable text and proper sharpness. Higher DPI monitors may need 100% 150% scaling. Choose Duplicate, Extend, or Second Screen only based on workflow, and confirm changes before moving on. Finish by optimizing performance and fixing issues. Go to Advanced Display Settings to set refresh rates and color depth for each monitor so motion and color stay accurate. If you see flicker, black screens, or wrong resolution, update GPU drivers from the manufacturer and reseat or replace the cable. Inexpensive adapters can cause problems. If displays still fail, run the Windows troubleshooter and test a monitor on another computer to isolate whether the issue is cable, display, or GPU related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.